How it works, how the KFG program works, and the tools that we provide. First, we're going to provide you flyers. As you can see here, this has got the Hardy logo on it. And our objective is to make financing simpler for the homeowner. You can hand this directly to the homeowner. We're going to share the advantages of each loan and the best fit for that homeowner. You can help us by directing them where to apply. There's also, as you can see in the right-hand side of this, a phone number. You're going to have an account manager assigned to you where you can call and get your clients qualified by phone. The advantages: fast decisions. These decisions are during normal banking hours. Rates as low as $3.95. The homeowner can choose from offers. They can accept the loans online as well. And notice at the bottom it says eligible with income verification and a mortgage statement. You can help us by directing them to also collect those documents and have them ready. More options mean more payments and lower payments available to the homeowner. More flexibility means more approved homeowners for you. Deductible interest is always an attractive feature. They can qualify for up to $50,000. There is no prepayment penalties. Better terms to fit any budget. Let's look at the application. This is where you can help us. The first three fields, as you see here, it's going to need the regional distributor name and the dealer name and a phone number. This is going to help us for reporting and tracking. The application is simple. Requested loan amount and borrower information. And upon their submission, they're going to see a thank you page, and it's going to prompt them again on what items are needed. Please have their mortgage statement ready and a W-2 or some type of income verification. Obviously, if they're retired, they can have a Social Security statement as well. You're going to notice a phone number that'll pop up. You're going to have direct access to an underwriter. That'll be your personal loan specialist. What do the approvals look like? What's going to be emailed to the homeowner? You'll also be copied on this. I'm going to show you a much broader credit spectrum of approvals here. Now, for the best credit, you're going to see terms from 3 to 20 years and the payments in yellow. This one shows payments as low as $129 on a ticket of $15,000. This says cash to the homeowner. You'll notice on the right a finance loan amount that is higher. There is a registration fee on this federal program. There's also an origination fee. It's built into the financed amount. There is no out-of-pocket for that homeowner. These details are explained directly to your borrower, directly to the homeowner. Everything is clear. For those that are above 700 in FICO score, you're going to notice attractive payments again in yellow, with interest rates no higher than 6.95 depending on the term that they select. For those as low as 660, interest rates as low as 8.5% here at the bottom, with payments as low as $154.81. And most importantly, for those with credit challenges as low as a 620, we still have options available with interest rates no higher than 9.5%, everything under 10%. That being said, the interest is still deductible. Let's recap. Fast decisions. Decisions are going to be shared by email to you and your management team. Funds are wired in 15 to 18 days on average on this federal program. Your homeowner is your cash buyer. As an approved vendor, they are to pay you. 100% upfront funding. The funding is not in percentages or stages. They can pay you in full at time of install, and there is no completion certificate required. These, again, are government insured. These have deductible interest. There's also unsecured options available for those with better credit over 700. They can get up to 15 years on unsecured options as well. This is only $395 as cost to the dealer for an install. You can build this in as a line item or build it into your quoted price. Want to thank you again. We look forward to working with you. Call us anytime with any questions. Thanks again.